टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लम हो तो। सनी थॉमस सर, anybody have any questions, any query?
Good morning, sir.
गुड मॉर्निंग, गुड मॉर्निंग जी। आप पूछिए, क्या क्वेश्चन है आपका? यासवी,
Sir, I have a question. Yashvi, sir.
यस।
Sir, how we can reduce our pressure during a match?
Okay, I'll reply you. See, basically, something you have really done continuously. Okay, so it should
Okay,
give
sir.
you more confidence. It should not actually give you a, if I say, shiver. Okay, so one thing is important is you don't have to think of future. You don't have to think about past. Just be in present. Just be in present. That we know that we have to, for example, if I'm just looking at the site, but my mind is somewhere else, I think my sight will also displace, isn't so?
Yes, sir.
So just be in process. And process, I mean, not just showing. You should know that at present you have to do, then only you will score. So
Yes, sir.
be actually in your present. That's how you can reduce the pressure. And secondly, I say three things. One is this: be in present. Second is have faith on yourself. For example, if you are lifting the pistol and shooting, I think you would have done that 10,000 times, maybe 100,000
Yes, sir.
times, है ना? 10,000 बार, 1,00,000 बार, 5,00,000 बार. तो यानी कि आपको वो इसका मतलब आपने जीरो कर दिया वो. तो प्लीज हैव फेथ ऑन योरसेल्फ, राइट? एंड थर्डली, जब आपका फेथ होगा तो आपका ट्रिगर का जो फिंगर है वो वापस नहीं जाएगा. आप पूरे प्रोसेस को सही करोगे, ठीक है ना? तो ऑनेस्ट, आपको ऑनेस्ट होना पड़ेगा कि जब आप लास्ट में अपना जो है एनालिसिस करते हो कि मेरा ये चीज मैंने सही किया. और ये हर शॉट पे आपको करना पड़ेगा, चाहे वो 60 शॉट्स कर लीजिए, चाहे अब तो फॉर्मेट चेंज हो गया है कि भाई आपको जो है सेमीफाइनल के लिए भी और ब्रॉन्ज मैच के लिए भी और फाइनल के लिए भी.
Yes,
तो
sir.
व्हाट आई मीन इज प्लीज हैव फेथ ऑन योरसेल्फ, बी ऑनेस्ट एंड बी प्रेजेंट. जो प्रेजेंट है उसी पे करो. बाकी चीजें आप, क्योंकि देखो, अगर मैं, आपको भी पता है वैसे, पर फिर भी सेक ऑफ अगर मैं बोलूं कि पिछला शॉट आपका 8.8 लगा, क्या उस शॉट को आप चेंज करके 10 कर सकते हो?
No, sir.
यू कैन नॉट. आप क्या फ्यूचर वाला जो है, जो नेक्स्ट शॉट है, आप जो है 19th शॉट फायर कर रहे थे, क्या 20th शॉट आप प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हो 19 शॉट में?
Yes, sir.
नहीं कर सकते. जो 19th शॉट है, 19th शॉट में आपने प्रोसेस क्या किया उसको प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हो. उसको कॉलिंग शॉट बोलते हैं हम, कॉलिंग शॉट कर सकते हो. 20th जो फ्यूचर में आने वाला शॉट है उसके बारे में आपको नहीं पता.
Yes, sir.
तो यानी कि प्रेजेंट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट, एंड इट विल रिड्यूस योर प्रेशर and it will give you better result.
Once again, Sunny Thomas sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Something is left for your part. Okay, so please we continue.
Because actually, I had two different visitors in between, and two important calls from America also.
Okay.
So I could not join at time. I'm sorry.
No problem, sir.
But the question actually about the pressure. Mr. Notial has very clearly and categorically explained and given the answer. So I may add something more. That is, first of all, the shooter must understand, like you all are having tension. Without tension, you cannot participate in a competition. You must not allow the tension to control you. Understand? You have to learn how to shoot with the tension. Another thing, you have to practice a lot. You have done the score so many times. and you are not going to do a new thing when you come to the competition. You are going just to repeat what you have done. That confidence has to be there. I have done it. Nobody else has done it. I have done it, and I can do it. That belief, Mr. Notial has already said, belief in yourself. That is, I have done it, and I can do it. And you are not competing against anyone. You are competing against yourself. You have to repeat what you have done. That's all. And again, he pointed out actually about the shots, 19th and 20th shot. Well, treat each shot as a separate match. So one shot may go astray. You are not a machine. Accept it. You are getting a 10.8, 10.9. You are accepting it happily. And if it is a 9, accept it like that. It can happen. You are not a machine. Don't worry about the past, but actually, as he said, live in the present. You concentrate on the shot as if it is a separate match. All the technicalities you have to remember, and don't worry about what has happened. Even the last shot, anybody can do a bad shot. I have seen actually Wang of China, who was the coach later on, in 2 competitions actually, because the last shot, he was leading number 1, 60th shot in a free pistol. There was a 6 point something, and he lost even the bronze. And he fell unconscious. And once actually he threw his pistol. Later on, he became a very good coach. He was with the team for a long period, and his presence was so encouraging shooters or so threatening. I do not know. If the shooter is shooting bad, he will call the shooter and say something in their language, and the next shot is a 10. I do not know the trick. I do not know actually what he was telling, but that was the fact. But he himself faced such thing in World Cup and World Championships. He was leading by 4 points or something, like 3 points, something more, with the number 2, and the last shot put him down to number 4. Can you imagine that? But still, you have to be confident. Each shot has to be treated as if it is a new competition. That is the most important thing. You have done it, you can do it, and you will do it. That confidence, that will give you a proper result.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. And once again, I repeat my version, and I will tell you in simply terms that how there is a problem is created, that parents have a lots of expectations, and parents pressurize the shooters. Okay, main thing, an 80% role I find out like this, and lack of a expert coach like you. Once again, I repeat, and all the new shooters, I will tell you, this is the Bhism Pitamah of Indian shooting, our Shani sir. आप नए शूटर्स नहीं जानते होंगे, तो ये शूटर्स के लिए एक बहुत मजबूत कोच का होना, बहुत एक्सपीरियंस कोच का होना, और अपार्ट फ्रॉम इट पेरेंट्स मस्ट बी ए वेरी पोलाइट एंड टेक इट लाइक, मुझे याद है अभी एक सीनियर कोच से बात हो रही थी, वो अभी ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाए, कहीं पहाड़ों पे थे, तो उन्होंने कहा कि वेद प्रकाश कहीं ना कहीं कमी ये है कि हम इसको प्रेशर में लेते हैं और ये कंपटीशन के फॉर्म में आ गया है। जो हम लोग और आप लोग गुल्ली डंडा खेलते थे या एक फॉर्मल गेम खेलते थे, हम इसको उसकी तरह क्यों नहीं लेते? एक इतनी जो रेस है, एक अनएंडेड रेस में इसको शामिल कर दिया है, इस चीज को हमें सब्सिडाइज करना होगा। ये जो सिंपली टर्म में हम लोगों ने फील किया है, जो मैंने फील किया है सर, ये कमी यहाँ पर इस चीज की है। आप सर इसके बारे में क्या कहेंगे? सनी सर एंड देन नोटियाल सर।
Let Mr. Notial speak, because in between again somebody
yes.
came.
Okay, Notial sir.
I had not reserved this time for this, since I did not know the subject. There is a seminar, they said, about what it was not said.
Subject,
so I was not
topic only society and shooting.
But when you got the intimation, it was not there. So anyway, just to know what exactly it is, I joined the meeting.
Yes.
I have some
Actually, Sari sir, I'll say actually this was a very formal chatting, that we actually came with that concept that Ved Prakash ji and we were talking actually at the shooting range. So we come up that why it's happening actually in shooting when we call it 90% and 90% mental game, first thing. And secondly, means we are in quite a other sports, actually there is a lot of rivalry, lot of things, but in shooting we are very close knit family. So I said, when we are close knit family, I think that family, as you also pointed out, now from one it has gone to 6 families. So that is what we were actually trying to drive out, that what exactly is the problem. This one family has gone to 6, so that's a problem, or we are actually not touching one other, that is a problem. So that was the reason actually we just thought, let's have a friendly chat. So seminar, definitely we will, means Ved Prakash ji is the pioneer for that. So he will give enough time and a topic, and even I think as a shooter we can participate, or as a coach we can participate, or some psychologist can guide us what exactly we should further do it. So you pointed out very nicely actually.